All right, we're gonna go ahead and make a little stack balloon. So we're gonna size them all the same size. We're gonna do 8 inches. I have my sizer, so you're gonna put it in your sizer or measure it so they're all the same size. And they should measure 8 inches, even if you measure with your tape measure, they're about, I don't know if you can see, 8 inches. If you don't have a measure, you can put 2 tapes, measure 8 inches across, and then just kind of gauge them to measure them. Or some people put 2 chairs together and then they'll measure 8 inches. They'll space them 8 inches and they'll pass the balloon through there so they're all the same size. Like this. So they'll put 2 chairs and the space in between. They'll put the balloons in between until they fit through. I didn't measure them, but just to show you how they do it. So see, they're both the same size. So I'm gonna put some more air in them. Measure it with my sizer. You want them the same size because they're gonna fit like a puzzle piece. So now I'm going to take the 2, twist them together. I'm going to do the same to the other 2, twist them together. It's just the top ones. And then you can tie these with a long balloon. I don't have any long balloon. Yes, I do. Here it is.
Is that your last one?
You can...
Is that your last one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go get one.
Oh, I have some. I just need to open the bag.
Open the bag.
Okay, open the bag for me. Thank you. Here's the scissors. You need them. So we're gonna go ahead and tie them up. And 2, you just grab 2, twist it around 2 balloons at the same time until you go through all of them. Then you tie it up above. And then you have your stack like this. You're going to set it aside. Can you know how to put water in there?
Yeah.
Just a little bit to like right there. Alright, we're going to blow up the number balloon. And you can use, again, the manual pump, this pump, or you can use the electrical. To save myself time, I'm going to use the electrical. But the manual pump is better for these because you can damage the valve with the electrical pump. So open it up carefully. Look for the valve. And you can open it up with the manual one. And then continue with the electric one. The electric one should have a little longer valve you can attach to fit into here. But if you are not able to with the electric, do the manual pump so you don't damage your balloon. Don't put too much air, or you will pop your balloon. So you want to go ahead and press the seal. Then you're going to take one of your long balloons, just half of it, and you can cut it up. Put a little bit more air in here. You're going to twist it onto the tail, and you're going to roll it up. And then you're going to tie it. And then you're going to tie it onto your balloon, your stack here. Then it should stay. You can use a little water weight. Tie it in with a long balloon and tie it onto the bottom. And that just helps to have it more sturdy. Like this. Then you can add your smaller balloons. Make them nice, small and round.
Mom.
And then you can use the glue dots to glue them in place wherever you want. And just put them wherever you want. Again, any questions, let me know. If you're gonna put a decal, you can put it directly on the balloon or use an alcohol wipe first to wipe wherever you're gonna put it. That'll make it a little bit easier to have the balloon decal stick onto it. Right, any questions, let me know.